Thanks to the organisers, speakers and attendees that made the Common Europe Congress 2024 so successful just 2 weeks ago. Additional thanks to Port Bastide, developers and offering management for enabling multi-arch compute with Power and OpenShift. I provided a session 2 weeks ago on OpenShift Multi-Arch Compute where I discussed these topics. For those that attended the conference, the presentation is available to download from the SCED conference website. I'm also discussing multi-arch compute for the shorter UKI Brunch and Learn webinar this Friday, the 21st of June. Let me know if you'd like any help with OpenShift Multi-Arch Compute and Power Systems. Have a good day all.